Hello everyone, this is day 48 of coronavirus quarantine. It is raining. There are probably 3.2 million cases worldwide. Yep. It's just raining. Some of the panels on my porch are wet. There's this box. Never wet. I don't even know what that is. Okay. Leave it alone. That's for sure. You know, it's not raining that hard, but I don't want to damage my phone. I'll stay here for now. I may leave this porch though. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna lie down and see if, well, the water's getting in there. I can't see that it is, so. And then there's all these nails. There's all these nails on the ground. Because that's how you make a porch. Yeah, I've just picked up badminton racket. It's still drizzling. Maybe. Yeah, I see it's drizzling, so I gotta leave this porch right now. Baby. Okay. Well, there's these bushes. And then, yeah. It's raining pretty bad. Let me sit on the porch here. Yeah, there's it. Just so we get, wow, that orange white thing is just down. It's just frickin' down. Okay, I have no idea what this is. People, you, There's a badminton racket. Wow. Who knew there was this much trash behind our old bushes? Okay, yeah, my little brother Zach is coming out here.
It's very raining and cold out here.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know why I should come out, but
I guess
very cold.
I guess he is.
And it's very cold and wet in Indiana right now.
Yeah. I've already established that, Zach.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. See.
So if you live in Indiana, do not come outside. We're just doing this for a video.
Yeah. It's
very cold out.
Pretty. Yeah, there's rain dripping just down the gutter. So I really can't leave this porch right now. Bunch of ice packs that are now melted. Like this is literally water.
And some of you guys are maybe asking in the comments, why?
My comments are disabled, Zach.
Oh. Well.
Yeah.
You might want to turn that off.
No, YouTube disabled them. Because they wanted to protect me as a minor. Yeah.
Well, you're probably saying, not in the comments, but you're probably saying in your head, why is Ethan Huber always outside? It's because that my parents don't want.
Yeah, my parents don't let me film inside most of the time, so even if it's raining, I've got to go on the porch.
Yeah, you always have to get outside.
Yeah.
Humiliating, but at least you gotta see a video, guys.
At least, man, and at least I have a chance of making that money. It's a bunch of wet rocks. Yep. Well, that wasn't interesting. Appearance by Zach. It's a little. Darn, the banister's wet. I just got my shirt a little wet. There's a wet pencil. See, it's the drizzle is coming over here, so again, like Zach said, don't come outside. I'm doing this for you guys. Yeah, don't come outside. Let's see. My gosh. I don't know why some ice packs are left out here, but I don't want to drink the water. Yeah. This is the second coldest April 30th ever. High was only level 45. Coldest high has been 42. I don't know what year, but it's in the record books. And yeah. It's still drizzling. I'm not leaving the porch for this video. I'm not. Like, it's raining. I'm like, why? Okay. So, it's dripping from my gutter. So, yeah. Oh, I think it's just like a ring. It fell apart. Yeah. Those things are not needed. Again, yeah. Just don't leave your house, you know. I'm not leaving yet, but it's drizzling. Bad out here, yeah. There's some bubbles are childish. It's cold as heck out here. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm lying here. Oh, it's so cold. So freaking cold. So cold. Yep, I'm just lying here. My legs are through that thing. You can see. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. My fingers are freezing off. I'm gonna put my feet down. Let me get up. Oh, hey, there's some trash down there. Okay, it started pouring down harder. But I'm only going to be out here for a couple more minutes anyway. So, yeah. Yeah, there's some badminton rackets. That I have shown you multiple times. It's why do I repeat myself? Why? Yeah, it's pretty bad now. Don't think, I would sit on the banister, but I honestly would have stayed on this side of the porch because the drizzle is blowing over here. So, like I can literally feel raindrops. I'm gonna go in like a minute anyway, so. And see what life's about here. Zach must be just watching YouTube now. Yeah. I think that was like a dog tray, but now it's like a boot shoe thing. Yeah. It's getting bad. I'm about to go inside. A bike. Yeah. Now those ice tray packs are just arranged very differently than I walked out here. Yeah. Okay, it's getting bad. I'm gonna go in very, very shortly. Just look at that. Look. Just look. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna take my shoes off. like I did the other day. Those are my feet. I'm gonna go inside now. So, bye.